Today we explore how Feng Shui uses natural sounds to enhance home energy. Feng Shui, the ancient Chinese art of harmonizing spaces, believes that sounds from nature, like flowing water, birdsong, or gentle wind, can attract positive qi and create a calming atmosphere. For example, placing a small indoor fountain by your entrance welcomes prosperity and peace. Try playing nature soundtracks or opening windows to let in fresh sounds. These simple changes can reduce stress and uplift your mood. Notice how your space feels and share your experience below.